84 in Glendale and 82 out in Buckeye at this hour. So we're now halfway through the month of May. Those numbers continue to climb to a seasonal norm of triple digits as we get to the end of May. Normal temperature for today, though, 95, and we just came in 9 degrees below the seasonal average. So still definitely on the cool side. And back in 1970, we made it well above the century mark, in fact, making it to 108 degrees for the afternoon high. Tomorrow, though, as we should expect to see mid-90s, we're going to continue to see cooler than normal temperatures. Looks like upper 80s to start your work week. That system pushes onshore, makes its way into Arizona. The winds kick up. That chance for some activity into northern Arizona and some high bay showers north of Phoenix. But the valley, what we might just see are a few stray sprinkles. Otherwise, we're not looking at a washout event by any means compared to what we're warming up a bit the middle of the week. And then another system could be affecting us, at least in terms of temperatures, as we get toward the end of next week. We took a look at that national picture earlier. All of the activity as that storm system and cold front slowly marches.
And the brakes will automatically be applied.
The 80s, sticky, moist conditions, lots of rain, more thunderstorm activity all throughout the Gulf coastline, and it's going to start to creep up along the eastern seaboard as well. For tonight, we'll drop to 50 Kingman, 53 Safford, and 48 for Sedona. Into tomorrow, 81 Globe, 84 Yuma, 84 Lake Havasu, 63 for the Grand Canyon. Tonight, we'll see a few high clouds out there. Nothing too shabby, though. We're going to see 65 for the overnight low, and then upper 80 for gust again tomorrow. Here in the valley, storms, although it looks like about 10% chance for picking up some raindrops here in the valley. All in all, though, guys, forecast is looking great. Upper 80s, fluctuating into those mid 80s, and maybe a 90 popping up on the map, but we have to really wait till next weekend before we start to see any significant warming.
Sounds good. Not as much moisture with this one as the last one that came through here, but we do have a chance for showers and storms, and this particular model of Futurecast leaves the best chances up across.
Warming up. It's 56 right now in Flagstaff, 70 in Sedona, 68 for Payson, 76 in Kingman, 86 for Bullhead City. Looks like 68 in Prescott. If you are planning dinner tonight, maybe outside doing a little grilling, great weather for it. Take advantage of it. By 6 o'clock on average, we'll see temperature
here in the valley, 30s up in Flagstaff, outlying freezes, so a cold start. Will bottom out at 48 in Sedona overnight, 44 in Prescott and Payson, and 51 degrees in Globe. Then tomorrow, 81 in Globe, upper 80s from Phoenix through Casa Grande and down into Tucson, and mid 70s in Kingman and in Winslow. Temperatures here in the valley are going to be in the 60s overnight. A little bit farther to the north in our foothills areas like Carefree and Cave Creek, seasonably cool. That 30-year average is 95 degrees. And as we take a look at your 7-day, we're not going to see that anywhere in that. But here's your breakdown tomorrow. Mid-60s at 6 a.m., mid-80s with breezes picking up by noon. Then in the afternoon and evening, we introduce that 10% shot for a stray shower as temperatures climb into the upper 80s. Again, the 90s making a comeback soon, but still going to be a little bit below normal on Wednesday and even into Thursday. Then we got our eyes on another low pressure system, bringing breezes back Thursday and Friday and dropping temperatures once again. So Friday and Saturday as we head into the
area of low pressure. It's bringing rain to California this afternoon and this evening, but it is going to make its way into our neck of the woods, mainly impacting northern Arizona. But as it does sweep through, it's going to kick up winds across the entire state, produce rain again across the higher elevations, and it is a pretty warm system, so snow levels will probably be at about 8,500 feet or higher. Then towards the end of the week, we've got another area of low pressure up to bat. This is going to be a storm system that impacts us Thursday and Friday. Quiet conditions as we make our way through your Sunday night. Monday morning, we see a little bit of cloud cover across northwestern Arizona. By 2 p.m., showers develop across the northern tier of our state. I think the valley is going to stay dry. Most of that rain shower activity is going to be north and east of Metro Phoenix. Then headed off into Tuesday, you can see clear skies for most of the state. Wind speeds are going to pick up. We'll see them start to peak at around noon tomorrow. And then as we make our way into the afternoon hours, the